This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Troy Hensley. Skip the maintenance stress and live where the energy is. This modern 2-story townhome puts you right in the center of Longwood, just a short walk from the SunRail terminal and the historic district for easy commuting and weekend exploring. The main floor features an open layout made for hanging out, plus a sleek kitchen complete with updated appliances, quartz countertops, plenty of storage, and a massive pantry. Upstairs, you get 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, giving you all the room you need to live, work, and stream comfortably. For more information, review the details below.